of grade 3. Today I am going to tell good habits. Wake up early in the morning. Arrange your beds. Play together. Brush your teeth twice a day. Bath our body twice a day. Cut your nails. Dress properly. Respect to the teachers. Play together. Share your toys to all your friends. Comb your hair properly. Drink water in the morning. Help your friends. Respect the elders.